Hello, I'm Cindy Chan Phillips of Chan Phillips Nutrition. How are you all holding up? Things are changing by the hour, aren't they? I just got back from a trip to BJ's and a trip to grocery store, and I am thinking, what can I buy in terms of food to sustain our family nutritiously for the next 14 days? We need not purchase more than 15 days, and some of us probably think we like to have more. In New York State, as you know, we have, just like in California and many other states, we have a stay-at-home order. I am thinking the more I can stay home, the better it is for the community. So take a look at what I have here. What I'm thinking are three things. I'm thinking protein, and I'm thinking also vegetables. And thank goodness that at the stores, fresh vegetables are plentiful. Fresh fruit are still quite plentiful, and there are a lot of strawberries. I didn't bring the strawberries out because they are in my refrigerator. Strawberries, blueberries, they are plentiful. I'm gonna have vegetables. They can stay in my refrigerator for even up to a week or more. Spring asparagus, but even this is quite hardy, and this can stay in my refrigerator for several days, three to 4 days, no problem. This can go into as a side dish to my dinner, or I can use this, cut them up, and use them as stir fries. So think shelf stable. Sweet potatoes are extremely nutritious, vitamin A, potassium, and delicious fiber. So if you cannot think of what to do for lunch when your kids at home, pop one or two in the oven for 40 minutes, and you have yourself a very nutritious lunch. Vitamin A is really crucial for boosting our immune system, along with vitamin C that you're going to get from vegetables and fruit as well. So think shelf stable. What about frozen orange juice? So I got myself or my family several frozen orange juices. So you can just take one out, mix it with water, and you have refreshing orange juice, which is a great source of vitamin C. And again, boost our immune system. So shelf stable. Canned goods are just as good as, frozen is just as good as fresh. So I have frozen sweet peas, and I have also a lot of canned whole tomatoes. So this can go into your bean and vegetable soup, or chicken vegetable soup, and stew and chili. So this is really versatile if you don't have fresh tomato on hand. So shelf stable, canned beans. You know, open a can of canned beans, add some chicken stock if you do, and throw in some vegetables or even frozen vegetables, and that will be a nice lunch. A lot of these can be kept in your pantry or at home or in the freezer for a long time. Take care and be safe.